Did you know that January isn't the end of the gardening season? I know it sounds crazy, right? But trust me, you can still grow fresh, tasty vegetables even in the coldest months. You just need to know which plants to pick. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 cold, hardy veggies you can easily grow in January. So let's jump in and beat the winter blues together by growing some delicious produce right in your backyard. Snow is gently falling outside, but inside your garden, you've got fresh greens and colorful veggies growing strong. That's right, gardening in January is not only possible, but it's also pretty darn satisfying. Not only do you get to enjoy homegrown food when everything else is frozen over, but gardening in the winter also gives your mental health a boost. Plus, starting now means you'll get an early harvest, and who doesn't love getting a jump on the season? Today, I'll walk you through 5 cold, hardy vegetables, things like kale, spinach, carrots, Swiss chard, and leeks that thrive in chilly weather. I'll also give you all the tips on how to plant and care for them, so you can make sure your January garden is a success. Ready to get started? Let's go! Choosing the right varieties, cold, hardy vegetables for January. Kale, first up, let's talk about Kale. If you haven't heard, kale is one of the toughest veggies out there. It actually loves the cold. When the temperature drops, kale just gets sweeter. It's also super nutritious, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. There are a bunch of kale varieties to choose from, but I recommend going for something like winter boar or dwarf blue curled. These varieties are perfect for colder climates, and they grow quickly, which is great when you're in a hurry to harvest.
Spinach. Next, we've got spinach.
This leafy green is another cold, hardy superstar. It can handle frost, and in fact, a little frost makes it even tastier. You'll want to plant varieties like Winter Bloomsdale or Giant Winter. These are perfect for chilly temperatures and will give you a steady supply of fresh greens. Carrots are another great choice for winter gardening. The cold actually makes them sweeter. Look for varieties like Napoli or Autumn King, which are known to grow well in cooler conditions. Just be sure to mulch your carrot bed to keep the soil from freezing too hard. Swiss chard is tough and can survive through frosty nights without a problem. This leafy green is not only beautiful but also packed with nutrients. Try growing Bright Lights or Ford Hook Giant for a colorful and resilient winter harvest. Leeks, finally. Let's talk about leeks. They are one of the best vegetables to grow in winter because they can handle freezing temperatures like a champ. Bandits and Blue Soleils are great varieties that will stand strong in your garden all season long. Tips for growing cold, hardy vegetables in January. Use mulch. A thick layer of mulch can protect your plants from extreme cold. Row covers or cold frames, these provide extra insulation and can help extend your growing season. Choose the right location. A sunny spot will help keep your plants warmer during the day. Water wisely. Water your plants in the morning so they have time to absorb moisture before temperatures drop at night. Gardening in January might sound challenging, but with the right plants and a few simple tricks, you can keep your garden going all winter long. So why not give it a try? Let me know in the comments which veggies you're excited to grow this winter. Happy gardening!